Hi there, Dutch has two articles for the nouns, de or het. Now most nouns use de as an article, so it's better to, if you don't know it, use de, chances are higher you're right, and to study the het nouns with this video. So that's why there's this video here, to help you learning the het words, the nouns taking het as an article. And here they are, the 100 most used het words. Jaar, year. Leven, life. Geld, money. Huis, house. Werk, work. Aantal, number of. Probleem, problem. Onderzoek, research. Artikel, article. Geval, case. Kind, child. Water, water. Geloof, believe. Meisje, girl. Gebruik, use. Hoofd, head. Miljoen, million. Plan, plan. Ding, thing. Nummer, number. Boek, book. Gegeven, data. Lid, member. Recht, right. Stuk, piece. Gebied, area. Verhaal, story. Deel, part. Nieuws, news. Licht, light. Antwoord, answer. Woord, word. Einde, end. Team, team. Bedrijf, company, like a company that earns money. Bed, bed. Hart, heart. Programma, program. Gezicht, face. Stel, couple. Beleid, policy. Gevoel, feeling. Contact, contact. Vertrouwen, trust. Geluk, happiness. Project, project. Lichaam, body. Systeem, system. Onderwijs, education, like the educational system. feit, fact, bloed, blood, belang, importance, beeld, image, kader, frame, totaal, total, spel, game, verband, tie or link, succes, success, kabinet, cabinet, niveau, level, schatje, sweetheart, besluit, decision, plezier, pleasure, kwaad, evilness, ziekenhuis, hospital, oog, eye, onderdeel, subpart, bestaan, existence, gevolg, consequence, overleg, discussion, advies, advice, bestuur, governance, wapen, weapon, leger, army, risico, risk, rapport, report, vuur, fire, kantoor, office, stuur, a driving or a steering wheel in your car, hotel, hotel, gevaar, danger, schip, boat or a big boat, adres, address, resultaat, result, idee, ID, salaris, salary, been, leg, bewijs, proof, strand, beach, bier, beer, lied, song, toilet, toilet, centrum, center, middel, means, detail, detail, moment, moment, glas, glass, park, park, papier, paper, gebouw, building. So, that was it. Hope it really helps you. If you have any other requests for lists, feel free to let me know in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe. Right now. So, see you in another video.